Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and a package manager. Install Anaconda or use pip to add Jupyter. Create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once the env is active, install the ipykernel package and register a kernel name. This makes your env selectable in the Notebook UI. Then open a terminal and run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. The server launches and your browser shows the file list. Make sure port and firewall settings allow local access. Now you organize work. Create new notebooks and alternate code and markdown cells to keep explanations close to results. You write small, testable snippets and use Shift+Enter to run cells. This preserves state while keeping outputs linked. When libraries change or you see strange state, restart the kernel and rerun cells in order to reproduce a clean run. Use line and cell magics for profiling and plotting. Enable extensions like Table of Contents to navigate long notebooks with ease and clarity. To finish, clear unnecessary outputs, add descriptive markdown headings, and export the notebook as IPENB and HTML so others can view it without running code. Save a requirements, TXT or environment. IML to capture exact packages and versions for reproducibility. If something breaks, first confirm the active kernel matches your environment and that Python path points to the correct site packages, then check package versions and restart the server. One key troubleshooting tip. Recreate the environment from your lock file to eliminate subtle dependency conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.